Hello guys! Welcome back to my YouTube channel!
The oath of sportsmanship, we have Isa Molde to be assisted by Cici Rondina. Cici, Isa, Cici, Isa, Cici, Isa, Cici, Isa, Cici, Isa. Welcome Cici and Isa to the island of Mindoro. And of course, we are inviting all the athletes to be prepared for the oath of sportsmanship.
Please raise your right hand and repeat after me. I state your name. Participants of the CCA Season 19 do hereby solemnly swear and agree to abide, adhere, and uphold all conditions, agreements, rules, regulations, and provisions which have been set forth by the organizers of this sports competition. As a competitor in this game, I do hereby solemnly swear and agree to play in the highest forms and standards of discipline and sportsmanship. No matter whether I win or lose, what counts most is how I conducted myself and played the games in this honorable arena. I do hereby solemnly swear and declare to preserve the tenets and precepts of the true sportsmanship in thoughts, in words, and in deeds. So help me God.
And there we have it, our oath of sportsmanship. But right now, let me invite the both of you to be in, may selfie agad. Okay, to be here in the middle for a photo ops with our school administrators. This is the first time in the history that we are bringing a PVL superstar here. So welcome Isa and Cici. We are very thrilled to welcome you. Go Isa! Go Cici! Okay, so thank you very much, our school heads and administrators. You may now go back to your respective schools. Thank you po. Hoy, Sir Noel, tama na daw. Joke lang. Okay. Okay, so, ayan. Okay, there we have it, guys. Hi, Cici, and hi, Isa. Welcome to the island of Mindoro. Welcome to the city of Calapan. How about a greeting to your fans out there?
Hello po sa inyo lahat!
Magandang gabi po sa inyong lahat.
Salamat po sa pag-welcome sa amin dito.
Of course, and to give us her inspirational message. She came unprepared for this. Let us welcome the one and only Cici Rondina!
So, hindi kasi ako inspirational. Expired na ata ako. So, si Ate C yung mag-ano sa inyo.
Cici Rondina, how about a photo ops po sa gitna? Okay, se-selfie daw. Okay, magse-selfie daw kayong dalawa with the crowd. Okay. Guys, yung 0.5 daw. Okay. Okay. Ayan. 1, 2, 3, smile everyone. Of course, magkaka-moment pa kayo later on this evening because we have a meet and greet activity with the both of them. Thank you very much, Isa and Cici, for now. See you again.
So, ayun na nga guys. Kung nagustuhan mo ang video nito, huwag mo naman sanang kalimutang mag-like at mag-subscribe. At pakipindutin mo na din ang notification bell para lagi kang updated sa aking mga videos. Thank you. Bye!